Wow, we're here at the Wolf River Conservancy, and this is exciting as we begin to look at exposing students in Memphis.
And this is about 1.3 miles of the overall project, which will be 26 miles. The Wolf River Greenway Trail will be 26 miles all the way from the north end of Mud Island all the way out east, connecting to Germantown, Collierville, and even out to the Fayette County line.
To be out here in the middle of the city and explore nature the way it is and the way it's intended, this is amazing.
This is experiential learning, getting outside and not using a textbook, but using your eyes and your ears and all your senses to really learn the importance of protecting the great outdoors, whether it's learning about birds, whether it's learning about bees or bugs.
We have an opportunity for students to touch, to feel, and explore nature like they may not have had anywhere else. And not just for our students, but our community. It's important for us to dive deeply into our history here in Memphis, Tennessee, which is a wonderful place to live. And with Shelby County Schools exploring this, it may open up worlds that our students may not have seen in the past.
We really appreciate Shelby County School System and this property. It's a great piece of property that we want to provide to the entire community.